those that don't start to work on it, I think it probably won't impact them at all because they can still do what they are doing, but it will come a time where they will realize that the world have changed. The business they are in actually has been quietly been disrupted.
Because of this transformation, our productivity has gone up because we can run the line unmanned. Of course, when your productivity has increased, your cost will be lower. You make yourself to be more competitive.
What we are going through actually is not just automation. We are actually going into a new era. It's something more than just automation. In fact, throughout the whole project until today, we have not actually replaced a single person. We upskill everyone.